PDFelement makes PDF editing simple right from your phone, anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Keep watching. Before we begin, download PDFelement from the Play Store and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Editing a PDF while traveling or on holiday can be challenging. However, with the PDFelement mobile app, you can do it easily. To get started, launch PDFelement on your mobile device. Click on Edit PDF, then select On this device. Choose the folder where your PDF file is located and select the file. On the footer menu, you will find options for Edit, Comment, Pages, and Fill and Sign. By clicking on the Edit option, you can edit your PDF text or add text or edit the text of your PDF, and to save, click on the top left corner. With the Comment option, you can access various tools. You can highlight text, add markers, or insert annotations and notes. Or use the Erase tool to remove any highlights or markers you've added. Once you're done, remember to click on Save. To access more features, click on the three dots. Here you can summarize the PDF, translate it, convert it, use OCR, split, crop the PDF, or protect it with a password. Finally, you can save the edited PDF on your device or share it as a link or file. Download the app now and edit your PDF anytime and anywhere with PDFelement. See you in the next video.